Okay, so with the same process or same problem that we're trying to demo, let's talk about it in terms of the missing factor model. So if we were to try to demonstrate 10 divided by 2, you have to provide some context in which they would think of it as the missing factor. So if we're saying 10 divided by 2, we are actually looking for the number such that when we multiply by 2, it needs to give us 10. Especially for the young students that you have or you will have who have a very solid understanding of multiplication and can do those, it would be a great way for us to start, right? What if you're not given the two things to multiply, you're given the result, and now you have to find the missing piece. So this is a natural lead into division, or one way to lead into division, right? So then we can think about if each person gets two stickers and we have a total of 10 stickers, how many people can we give it to? Right, so that's one way to phrase it, or you can switch it around and say, if you have 10 stickers total and you're giving it to 2 people, how many would they receive each? Right, so there's multiple contexts that you can apply onto this problem to make sure that they know what to solve for, right? So by definition, if we're trying to do this division, we want to find out what is multiplied to 2 to get to 10. So the answer is 5. So each, depending on which context you gave, then it would be either each person gets 5 each, or you can have 5 people with 2 stickers each, right? So it all depends on how the problem was stated. The next one is repeated subtraction model. So just like how multiplication was repeated addition, you can think of division as repeated subtraction. So suppose we are doing 15 divided by 5. Then to do this problem, so if you have 15 cookies total, let's write the context so that I don't switch. So let's say we have 15 cookies total, and each box holds 5. And so the question would be, how many boxes do I need? So we can think of it, and then we don't know how many we should have, right? So we have 15. We're going to place 5 in here. So now we have 10 left, right? So when we have 10 left, we place another 5 in the second box, and we have 5 left. And when we have 5 left, we can place it into the third box, and then we have none. So we have 0 remainder, and we put it into 3 different boxes. So we would have to have 3 boxes to place 15 cookies if we're putting 5 cookies per box. Okay, so this is a repeated subtraction part. You subtract 5 3 times, so that means the solution is going to be 3.